welcome back to day 4 Cha-Cha enthusiasts to your Cha-Cha challenge. And today we will be focusing on your upper body and rib cage movement for your Cha-Cha. So let's get started. We will begin just with our feet nice and relaxed close together, and our hands and our elbows will be in front of our body just above the rib cage so we can see what's happening here. And what we're going to start with is just alternating from one side to the other. So we're not moving the whole body at this point. We're isolating, really trying to isolate one side of the rib cage to the other. And that's what gives us that beautiful opposition in your Latin dances and gives you that confidence and better movement for your lead and follow as well. We start with our feet underneath us and we alternate rib cage and rib cage, really working through the core as well, keeping the belly button to our spine, lifting out of the top of the head, shoulders down, not around our ears, press them down, breathing. It's also a very good core workout, so you'll get a workout and technique at the same time, and alternate. Keep going, we have a few more. And you can even use this to start any of your practice as well, just to help get your body warmed up, get yourself feeling connected to your movement and your body. It's a great exercise for that. After a while, you really start to feel it through the core. Awesome, we have a few more. 2 more. And relax those arms. You might even be able to feel it through the shoulder blades because you're really trying to elongate through the back, through the rib cage and those elbows. So if you felt that, fantastic. The next exercise I want to talk about is with the feet apart. And you're not really needing to go very far at this point. You just want to kind of keep your feet underneath your hips. And I'll start with this one facing the camera and then we'll turn around. We're going to add the arms and we're going to reach the fingertips and then back to center. Reach the fingertips to the other side and center. So again, I'm not using my shoulders to help me. It's also not very attractive. Push your shoulders down and press your hips right into the floor. Reach, reach, reach. Try and keep that left foot planted. Keep the opposite foot planted and center. Reach and center. We got 2 more. Reach, center, reach, and center. We're gonna add some knees at this point. Reaching, reach further with the knees, keep that standing leg on the floor, and back. Reach the rib cage first, bend the knees, push, 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 and back. We got a few more. Reach the rib cage, extend, and up, reach, and further, and up. Excellent. Lifting nice and tall, right out of your hips, out of your feet, reaching the hands, and rib cage, bend further, and to center. Reach, bend, and bring it back. Extend, further, and center. Reach, plie, and bring it back. Lower those hands. Awesome work. I'm going to show you what everything looks like put together so that you get an opportunity to see the rib cage and the rest of those elements that we've been focusing so hard on put all together. Here we go. You've got your basic, and I'm going to head to the right. Either direction works. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. I'll try one more. 4, and 1, 2, 3. And there you have it. I hope you find that fourth video very, very useful. Again, don't hesitate to use this as a warm-up for your dancing as well. Thank you so much for joining me for your day 4 of your Cha-Cha Challenge, and we'll see you for the last day, day 5, hip movement and human motion. All right, well done and happy practicing.